Hey guys, good morning. This is me, WildOlives. I am sorry about my weird voice today. I've been really having a nice night with my friends. We were laughing the whole night. So today it's really warm. I think the spring is coming soon, and I am so excited for that. You can hang around with your friends outside, do barbecue and cook with them, enjoy life, and be optimistic. And also today, I'm going to share to you my easy egg fried rice recipe. I do know that everyone has own version of their fried rice, but this is my version. And correct me if I did something wrong in how I make my fried rice. I'm not a good cook. I am just learning and just enjoying the food the food that I cook. And please comment down below on how do you make your fried rice and your version. And would really looking forward for that because I do know everyone has own way. And I remember my mom always make a leftover fried rice. Leftover rice, and she always do a garlic fried rice. I hope you guys enjoy my easy fried rice recipe. This is my own version. I do know it's not perfect, but this is the way I want my fried rice with a lot of veggies and love. Enjoy the video. So this is the mistake that I did yesterday. I was supposed to put the veggies first, the broccoli, and then later on the rice. I have to stir fry first the broccoli. But I got really mixed up, and I have this camera. It's keep twitching, and also the mushroom. Oh my god! But I think it comes out okay. Turns out okay, and I like my broccoli a bit crispy and not well cooked. And also add some sesame because I like the smell or the scent of sesame oil, and that's really optional. It's really up to you guys. And some people add oyster on their fried rice, but this is my version, and I really love the outcome. You know, it's so colorful, it's so vibrant, and it looks so healthy. And I don't use too much salt, so I just put a pinch of salt, not too much, because I'm trying to lose weight. And you know, I do hope guys you do comment your own version, because I was so embarrassed finding out that, oh my god, Jenny, what are you doing? But I think the broccoli is just perfect for me. You know, everyone has different taste and way and of how to cook, and this is my version. So the dried garlic flakes and sesame, black sesame seeds are optional, and my fried rice I always add, or maybe soup or maybe noodles, I always add dried garlic flakes. It's just not the taste, guys, but you know the outcome. Look, and this is my easy fried rice recipe. I hope you enjoy it, guys. And you know, if you are in Philippines, if you have a leftover rice, you know, always try to find a way how to revive that. And this is my way of reviving my old rice. And luckily it didn't go bad. I always put my leftover rice in the fridge. So thank you guys for watching. This is me, Wild Olives. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a nice day, and I love you all.